Hey everybody, so my first stock lock Sunday effort, which I posted anyway, wound up not being a stock lock, but so we're gonna try again here. This lock is stock. You'll recognize this from my handcuff video. I used the key ring off of this, so got a fresh key ring on there. And when I was sticking it back in the lock, I normally leave the turn 90 degrees so the keys can't come out. And I noticed that this one doesn't actually turn, so I guess I never rekeyed it, or it's the wrong key or something. So plan will be to go ahead and just pick it, and I think we'll just speed gut it for the video. And then at some point when I'm not being lazy, I will pin it to those keys. Clip off and use this handy kick cylinder holder here. And actually with the key, with the clip off the back, it could speed gut itself when I get it open here. But you know what they say, an open's an open. Alright, enough housekeeping here. Let's go ahead and get to picking. All right, we're open. So this stock lock went much better than the last one. Well, the last one was actually cool. It was a fun pick and everything. I just picked it on the wrong day or whatever. And actually, let's not speed gut it. Let's do it right here. All right, so 5 pins, no surprise there. All right, so there's our key pins, and upstairs will be all standard, but we'll take them out anyway, just so I can make some more work for myself later here when I've got to put it back together. So standard and standard. Got a runner. Seeing it landed on one of my other pinning mats. Can't have too many pinning mats. And last but not least, another standard pin. So, all right, move that into frame here. So for this stock lock Sunday, we actually picked a stock lock. And also I mentioned too, my giveaway is still going on. I'll put a link up here in the corner as of December 23rd. It is still going on, so feel free to join that if you're in the continental United States. In fact, I would encourage it, giving away a couple of cool locks and some crappy ones, but there is some cool ones that are worth it. So, all right, guys, that'll do it. Then we'll talk to everybody later.